And your time starts now. It is all ulta. You have only 30 seconds.
Yes.
Come on, Clinton. Hey, 30 seconds, huh? Hey, time's up! And what do you do after doing this? Say, at least say Merry Christmas to them, men.
Merry Christmas!
Alright, well done, men Levi. So 30 seconds, okay? And your time starts now. ये तो उल्टा हाथ इसको दे। ये तो कोट ही उल्टा।
हम उल्टा कर देंगे। अरे गे।
मुझे 30 सेकंड। ये तो 30 सेकंड।
अरे यार
यतेश को क्रिसमस पादर असताई